Hello! Good day to you. I'm just going to do a short live para ma-share sa inyo ang isang amazing story that happened just a while ago. And syempre, live again para diretso upload po sa Facebook. Before I worked today, well, I'm not yet starting my work, but I just want to share this with you. So, bago po ako mag-work, sabi ko, hey Lord, I wanna read muna a part of my Bible. And then, I don't know what to read. And then I said, God, I don't know what to read. And then I remembered, I wanted to see that part of my Bible again, which discusses the names of God. Because, dun po sa aming ipinapagawang bahay, ay talagang gusto namin mag-dedicate ng isang area where we will be, we will call it our war room, our prayer room. And we wanted, my husband and I, we wanted to put the name of God, which really speaks to us, yung kumbaga kung paano namin siya personally na-encounter. And then, this is a Bible with 1,000 pages. Alright? And then I told God, Lord, gusto kong makita yung part na yon, but I don't know where it is kasi hindi ko pa siya naaral ng talagang aral na aral, kaya hindi ko po siya na bookmark. But I remembered reading it reading that part in this Bible. Alright? And then, I opened it. Nilagyan ko na ng napakalaking bookmark para habang pinapakita ko po sa inyo, madali ko po mahanap. So, I opened my Bible. And this is where it landed initially. So, it's Psalms. And then, I read this part, more than possessions. Let me just read it also to you kasi napakaganda nga rin po nito, nakalagay dito. God desires His children to prosper in all things, and He promises prosperity to the godly. And it's found in Job 22:23-27. So, when I read that, I went first to Job and then read that part. And then I went back here sa page na to. And guys, this is where it became amazing. Well, it's amazing enough na na-open ko po ito, no? Kasi isa rin siya sa mga hinahanap kong topics. But then, after ko po nitong basahin, I turned to the next page and guess what? Ito po yung page na hinahanap ko. Out of the thousands of pages, I landed where I needed the page to be. You see, it's just a page after. Nung original page na na-open ko, it's so amazing that it really, I don't want to keep this with me. I want to say that I want to encourage you that God answers even the prayers na hindi po natin masyadong, hindi ko naman masyadong talagang super seryosong kailangan makita yung names, yung page na yun right at this moment. But then, God answered my little prayer. I'm not saying that I'm not serious in praying, I'm just saying na hindi ko naman siya like talagang ipinagdadasal na mangyari mismo sa oras na to. But then, amazingly, I don't know how to explain how I feel, but I want you to be encouraged, mga beshies. Our God is the God who answers. And ito po yung mga names of God. Babaltaan ko kayo kung alin dito yung mapipili namin for our war room or prayer room. And I do hope you also had that part in your rooms or in your homes. Wherever, kahit saan naman pwede po tayo makipag-usap kay God. Here are the names of God, and I'm just gonna stay here for a while if ever you also want to look at it. But then again, I hope this encourages you, inspires you to move forward and to thank God for everything that He has done in our lives. God bless you, mga beshies. God loves you. You will overcome whatever it is that you're going through right now, and you will be successful in God's power within you. So, don't give up, ha? God loves you. So, yun lang po. Bye-bye!